Ayan guys, bumalik ako dahil may leak. Dalawa ang may leak nito. Dalawa. Sobrang init, grabe. Wala pa naman ako tukan. Wala pa na screen dito. Maglagay lang ako ng towel sa ulo ko. Ito ang may leak, oh. Isa. Ito ang may leak na first sample, eh. Yan ang may leak. Igpitan ko pa yan. May tubig-tubig pa na tayo. Sige lang, ah. Ito ang pinakamalaking leak. Doon konti lang. Ngayon hinintay ko yung generator, wala pa. O tingnan mo, grabe ang init. Hinintay ko pang generator, ang tagal. Hanggang ngayon wala pa. Paano ko matapos to? Tagal ang generator, may leak. Init na, uminit na, oh. Sobra, alas 11 na. Oh, maglagay talaga ako ng tawag sa ulo ko. Ang tagal ng generator. What to do this one? Tagal ng supervisor. I informed already the supervisor that we have no generator. So what to do, because we have no generator. That is generator but no diesel. So what to do? I'm doing this. Now it's too much hot. Not feeling well. I put my head cold rugs in my head. I put water. That's why not too much hot. I will finish this one also, and then I will maybe a little time this one, maybe half hour finish. But the problem is generator. We have no generator, no power, no diesel. So what to do? So I will waiting that people going there to get the diesel, but after now, no. Only 15 minutes going to that getting the diesel. Until now, not yet. So now it's too much hot. So what to do? We will sacrifice this one, no problem, no choice. I will sacrifice this one. That is my work. But now it's too much hot. Sacrifice, but too much hot. What to do? Need money. That's why we will sacrifice. Okay guys, I will call them first. I will finish this video. Please support my video guys. Thank you. Ayan na, dumating lang yung generator ko na bago. This is a new generator coming. Because you have a diesel now, so we'll do first. I will finish this one early because I need too much hot now. So I will make jaldi garo. I will busy jaldi.